So today I'm about to show you how to add a date tag to a flow in Fluid.io. First, open Fluid, navigate to your dashboard or the specific canvas you want to organize. To tag your project, click on the flow settings or info panel at the top of your workspace. Look for the tags sections. Click Add Tag and select the date option from the drop-down menu to pick your deadline or creation date. This date tag will now display directly on your dashboard thumbnail, letting you sort and filter your projects by timeline. Pro tip: pair your date tags with status tags like urgent or review to turn your dashboard into a fully functional Kanban board on your AI projects. And that's it. That's how to add a date tag to a flow in Fluid.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.